Daniel is in court to claim £20 after an acquaintance consumed his birthday cake and drank his wine without permission. Defendant Siony says he was unaware that the cake and wine were birthday gifts, and as he was drunk at the time, he owes nothing.
Do I have Daniel here?
Yes, Judge.
And is it Siony?
Yes, Judge.
Before I prepare a case like this, having read the law and having dealt with very difficult cases in my life, matters of international legal significance, cases involving money laundering, murders, the odd case of terrorism, I like to prepare myself by getting into the right frame of mind. All right? Daniel, you met Siony at a house party, correct?
Apparently so, Judge. I don't actually have any memory of that.
How splendid. It was 2017. You became friends, correct, Siony?
Not so much.
Well, you must have become friends because you ended up living with each other around April 2019. So you stayed in touch, correct?
Not so much either. I was with his housemate, Kat.
We say
Staying with her.
Staying with her?
Yes.
Understood. So Kat was a friend of his. You didn't move in with him at any point, Kat did?
Yes.
Understood.
Oh, no, Kat's my flatmate and he moved in with her.
Yes.
So you did move in with him?
Not with me, no.
I would see him in passing.
OK. Now I understand the confusion. Yes, it's entirely your fault. You moved in with Kat, and you moved in with Kat, only you weren't friends with him?
No.
Understood. Now we can get to the very serious business of this case. January 2019, you started your own business, didn't you?
That's correct.
It's a rather thoughtful business. You like bleach and cleaning and all of that sort of thing and keeping things in order, just like I do. Only your business had a little bit more fruit about it, put it that way.
That's one way of putting it, yeah.
What's your business, sir?
I am a naked cleaner.
What is a Yes, all right, I should say to my public gallery, we're not at Spearmint Rhino. What is a naked cleaning business?
Well, it's pretty much what it says on the tin.
Who hires you?
Lots of different people. That's good, I like that one. Lots of different people, Your Honour.
Such as whom? Judges?
I don't have a judge. I do have someone that writes legislation for Parliament, though, so quite VIP clients.
VIP clients? They ask you to do the hoovering in the nude?
Yeah, hoovering, dusting.
How much you charge for this?
Just £40 an hour at the moment, but I'm going to up that soon.
I mean, is this a sexual service?
No funny business at all.
Well, so why do they ask you to do it in the nude?
The novelty, I suppose. So they know I'm not going to steal anything. You know, I'm naked. It helps. And to be able to say that they had a naked cleaner, actually, I think it's the novelty more than anything.
I've never ceased to be surprised at the businesses that are out there. You've done rather well at this, as far as I can gather. Now, here's the thing. Kat you lived with. Now, Kat isn't here, and that's really a problem for the case. But never mind, we shall soldier on. When you lived with Kat, well, you still live with Kat, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Was there an agreement or rule about the food in the house and that sort of thing?
No, we never came to an official agreement, but it was common sense.
Well, stuff's kept in the fridge, and generally speaking, people apply common sense to the stuff in the fridge.
Yeah.
But if there's apples and pears and that sort of thing, they won't get eaten, or they might get eaten. It depends on what the thing in the fridge is.
Yeah.
Understood. But there's no labels on things, etc., correct? Now, you were at this house where you were living, Siony, let's put it this way, informally with Kat.
Absolutely, yeah.
For a period of time. It was your birthday around the 9th of April, right?
That's right.
And you received a present. What was a present?
I got a birthday cake and a really nice bottle of wine.
Understood. What was the birthday cake?
Tiramisu, I think. But I'd like to
Tiramisu.
stress that they're the only things I got for my birthday, so they did actually mean quite a lot to me.
What's wrong with you? I haven't had this before, I do apologise. That's not your mum in the audience, is it, by any chance?
I hope not. I hope not.
Point is that you got a cake and a bottle of wine. Understood. Goodness me. And it was a tiramisu because nobody else bought you anything of any value. Well, that's a terrible shame, and I'm very sorry for you. Kat didn't buy anything. You didn't think it would be nice to buy Daniel a nice present?
I didn't even realise it was his birthday, to be fair.
One of those things. What does one get for a naked cleaner, really? A hat, I suppose.
Feather duster.
Fresh marigolds, maybe?
Somebody bought you a cake. Who bought you the cake?
It was my other flatmate. He bought me the cake.
Understood. 13th of April, the cake was there. What happened to the cake, please, Siony?
Me and Kat may have eaten it.
You did eat it?
Yeah. I think we left... At the time, it was during a small gathering that was not for Dan's birthday. And me and Kat came to the fridge. I believe myself neither to be culpable for my actions nor liable for the cake or wine, considering the circumstance.
Statement from Kat. Daniel received a cake and a bottle of wine for his birthday last week. We were all really drunk on Saturday, but Daniel wasn't there. We didn't pay attention to what we were drinking, just found another bottle in the fridge. Of course we just drank it. It was Siony's idea to eat the cake. We ate pretty much the whole thing. It was delicious. I got a text from Daniel the next day. He was very angry with us. I've never eaten anything of his before, but most of the time we share things, so it's fine. This was a birthday present, so perhaps it's different. You texted her. Let's have a look at the text. This is a text from Kat. Who drank my wine? It was my only birthday present, for goodness sake. Nobody even asked me. Oh my, I'm very sorry. I'll get you a new one for tomorrow. Please don't be angry. It's just wine. I can even get 2 bottles on Tuesday. Did you ever get that wine?
No.
How much are you suing for?
£20.
Were you cross?
I was very angry.
You were so cross, in fact, you put it on Facebook, correct? Goodness me, what did you put on Facebook? Will you read it for me?
Yes. I've just come home from work and my flatmates have helped themselves to my birthday cake and my wine. The only things I got for my birthday. I was very...
Understood. Why do you think you're entitled to the cake and the wine?
Because it was a social gathering. They seemed to be available to people, and I didn't really think it through, and I don't actually really remember it clearly.
Understood. In other words, were you aware there was a party taking place, Daniel?
No.
Right. Had you been, it would have been different. It would have been up to you to keep the wine in a safe place. Now, this £20, you're cross about it in principle, right?
Yeah, it's not about the money, it's the fact they're the only things I actually got for my birthday, and I was saving them. You know, I liked opening the fridge and just look...
Oh, for goodness sake, pull yourself together! What's wrong with people? Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.